In recognition of the Martin Luther King Jr. Day of Service, the Foundation for the East Baton Rouge Parish School System and district staff worked with the leadership team at Ochsner to develop a service project that would benefit schools at all levels.
I'm Christy Reeves. I'm the Vice President of Community Relations and Government Affairs with Ochsner Baton Rouge. And our employees, who are about 2,000 in the Baton Rouge area, wanted to do something special for Martin Luther King's birthday and celebration of his life, and knew how much he believed in education and empowering its youth. And so we reached out to the East Baton Rouge Parish School Systems to work with them to create MLKs, Managed Life Kits. We knew that the biggest problem that kids have in school today is they don't have all of the resources that they need just to live life and manage their own life expectations. So our 2,000 employees got together. They donated personal hygiene, toothpaste, toothbrushes, deodorants, soaps, shampoos, and then they assembled these Managed Life kits so that one of every school in the parish would actually have their own Managed Life kits. If a student needed something during school, they could just go to the office and get something out of their MLK. Our employees were delighted to participate. It really touched their heart, and they're happy to give back. And this is something we hope to do every year with the East Baton Rouge Parish School System.
Christy, on behalf of the East Baton Rouge Parish Foundation, I just want to say how much we appreciate this. This is such a unique donation that Ochsner has provided, and it'll go a long way in helping our students. Thank you so much for doing this.
We're delighted.
Well, I want to say thank you to Christy for coming here this morning at the East Baton Rouge Parish School Board office, bringing these kits. The 2,000 plus employees of Ochsner in Baton Rouge have been so good to us, and to be able to think of this and put this out, we're going to send one of these kits to every school in Baton Rouge, and I can tell you it will be greatly appreciated. So we really appreciate Ochsner, Christy, for what y'all have done this year. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are delighted to do it.